Logging into your district voicemail via the web portal is as easy as going to unity.colton.k12.ca.us/inbox. You may want to bookmark this for easy access later. If prompted, you will log in with your normal CJUSD username and password. You may see a notice that you have exceeded your quota. This is fairly normal and will go away once you have reviewed and deleted your voicemails. To begin reviewing voicemails, simply click on the play button to the right of each voicemail entry. The controls are fairly simple with only play and pause buttons. To go back to the beginning of a voicemail, simply click anywhere in the green bar. You can easily delete a voicemail once you reviewed it by clicking the delete button. You can also move between pages of voicemail if you have more than a few by clicking the page buttons at the bottom. If you accidentally delete a voicemail, you can still view your deleted items for a short period by clicking the deleted button. Once all of your voicemails are deleted or read, the red light on your phone should turn off. If you'd like to keep a voicemail but want the red light on your phone to turn off, you can simply leave it in your inbox. You can also mark it unread to turn the red light on your phone back on. The look of the web portal may change as we explore customization options, but the overall functionality will stay the same. Please remember that the Unity voicemail web portal is only available from inside the CJUSD network. Thank you.